So the idea of doing a protecting ball is to keep the ball away from the opponent. So this is just like a line. Okay, Coach Philip is in between the ball and the defensive player. Look at the hand of Coach Philip, yung non-dribbling hand. The non-dribbling hand of Coach Philip, naka-protect, naka-arm bar. Okay? And take note of the dribble of Coach Philip. He's dribbling it at knee level, mababala. Bakit naka-arm bar? Para hindi makaka-steal yung kalaban. Bakit mababa yung dribble? So the defender is really going to go for the steal. Mababa, so as to do extra effort para makuha yung bola. Next, okay, the lower the dribble, ay mas lalong makokontrol niyo yung bola. Okay, so gano'ng kataas yung dribble? Knee level. Coach, left hand naman. Okay. So defender, go. Okay. Protect dribble, left. Gano'ng kataas yung dribble? Dribble the ball at knee level. I start. Wala ka naman yung dribble. Magaling kayo dito. Okay. Protect hand, right hand. Kick the ball away from the opponent. Okay. Back straight. Back straight. Can you dribble? I start. Okay. Tingin sa harap. Magaling yung dribble. Okay. So this is your control dribble. This dribble also will be your preparatory dribble for your one-on-one moves. So let's say si Coach Philip nakaprotect the ball. Okay. Pwede siya. Okay. Pwede siya front crossover. Okay. Front crossover. Okay. So ready stance na or preparatory stance na natin yan for your one-on-one moves for between the legs. Okay. Pwede rin. Okay. Preparatory stance natin for your spin dribble. Okay, kita niyo yung dribble coach, mababa lang. Okay, gano'n kababa yung dribble, level. Or, pwede rin yan for behind the back. Okay, so, later, gagawin natin crossover between the legs, stick, and behind the back dribble. Okay, but first, we will review yung ginawa natin kahapon yung movement with the ball natin. Okay, and we will be doing the drills, okay, full court. Okay, so yasin lang kayo 5 points, ha?